Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will deliver the lecture of SST of 5 class. I hope you will be fine and you have learned the previous lesson. In previous lecture we have discussed juniper forests and climate of Balochistan. Now our today's topic is the Kharan Desert. Now students, I'll give you the introduction of Kharan Desert. Basically, Kharan is the name of a desert. Kharan Desert is also called Sandy Desert. It is situated in Balochistan as well as in Iran. Students, basically rainfall is very low in this region and we will know about the animals which live in this desert and the crops which can be grown in this region. Now I'm going to read this topic from book. The Kharan Desert, also known as the Sandy Desert. Kharan Desert को Sandy Desert भी कहा जाता है. Lies to the west of Balochistan and continues into Iran. You can see this on map on page number 15. The desert is made up of shifting sand dunes that can reach a height of 30 meters. ये डेजर्ट रेत के टेलों से बना है जिनकी ऊंचाई 30 मीटर्स है. Sometimes there are fierce sandstorms. Students, the word sandstorms means a strong wind carrying clouds of sand with it, especially in a desert. Now move to next paragraph. Rainfall is very low in this region. इस खिते में जो बारिश होती है वो बहुत कम है. Long droughts make it hard for the people to grow food and raise animals. खुश्क साली का लंबा दौरानिया लोगों के लिए यहाँ खुराक उगाना और जानवर पालना मुश्किल बना देता है. When rain does fall, it is sometimes very heavy and can cause flooding. जब बारिश होती है तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ होती है जो कि सैलाब का बाइस बनती है. Life is hard in the desert and not many people live there. जो ज़िंदगी है यहाँ बहुत मुश्किल है सहरा में और यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा लोग भी नहीं रहते. Now we will read about the main food crop in the desert. Wheat is the main food crop but fruit is also grown. Many farmers breed camels and drug making is common. बहुत से लोग कैमल की नस्ल की अफजाइश करते हैं और कालीन बनाना आम है. Now students, we will discuss the people of Balochistan. Although Balochistan is Pakistan's largest province, few people live there. अगरचे बलूचिस्तान पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा सूबा है लेकिन फिर भी बहुत ही कम लोग यहाँ रहते हैं. The local people are called Balochs. जो मुकामी लोग हैं उन्हें बलोच कहा जाता है. People speak Balochi, Brahvi, Pashto, Sindhi and Urdu. These are the languages people speak in Balochistan. The languages include Balochi, Brahvi, Pashto, Sindhi and Urdu. Now move to next paragraph. Most of the people live in the capital city Quetta and the port city of Gwadar. जो ज़्यादातर लोग हैं वो कैपिटल सिटी कोयटा में रहते हैं और गवादर में. Others live in tribal groups in the mountains where they raise animals and sell their produce at the bazaars in nearby towns. और कुछ लोग कबाइल की सूरत में पहाड़ों में रहते हैं जहाँ लोग जानवरों को पालते हैं और उनकी पैदावार को करीबी कस्बे के बाज़ारों में बेचते हैं. People living along the coast can make a living as fishermen. जो लोग साहिल के साथ रहते हैं वो अपनी रोज़ी माहीगिरी से हासिल करते हैं. Those living on the plains where the soil is better for growing crops grow fruits such as. और वो लोग जो प्लेन्स एरिया में रहते हैं वहाँ की मिट्टी फसलों और फलों के लिए मौजू है. Such as grapes, apples, cherries, peaches, pomegranates, dates and apricots. इन फलों में शामिल हैं grapes, apples, cherries, peaches, pomegranates, dates and apricots. Almonds are also grown. बादाम भी वहाँ उगाए जाते हैं. Now students move to page number 19. Now students look at its fact on page number 19. In this we will read the largest lake which is situated in Balochistan. And we will also read about the several dry lakes in the Kharan Desert. Now I'm going to read this from book. There are several dry lakes in the Kharan Desert. Kharan Desert में कई खुश्क नहरें भी हैं. The largest one is Hamunai Mashkal. जो largest one है वो Hamunai Mashkal है. It is filled with sun-cracked clay, salty marshes and moving sand dunes. ये एक ऐसी मिट्टी से बनी हुई है जो कि सूरज से कुचली गई है और इसके अलावा नमकीन दलदल और रेत के टेलों से. यानी कि ये बनी हुई है नमकीन दलदल और रेत के टेलों से और ऐसी मिट्टी से भरी हुई है जो कि सूरज से कुचली गई है. Now we will read the mining in Balochistan. In this topic, we will read about minerals and its types. Basically, there are two types of minerals, metallic and non-metallic. Now, I'm going to read this topic from book. Minerals are materials dug out of the ground by mining. मादनियात वो मवाद हैं जो कि ज़मीन से कानकनी के ज़रिए निकाला जाता है. There are two types of minerals. First one is metallic and second is non-metallic. Metallic, for example, iron, copper, gold and silver. Students, these are the examples of metallic minerals. Now I'm going to read non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic, for example, coal, oil, marble, gemstones and sulfur. These are the examples of non-metallic minerals. Here we can make a question which is already mentioned in your notes. The question is define minerals and their types. The answers start from here. Minerals are materials till gemstones and sulfur. Here we can also make a question that is already mentioned in your notes. The question is, which is the largest lake situated in Kharan Desert? The answers start from here. There are several lakes till sand dunes. Now move to page number 18. Here we can also make a question, define Kharan Desert. The answers start from here. The Kharan Desert till raise animals and wheat is the main food crop till making is common. Here we can also make a question, write about the people of Balochistan. The answers start from here. Although Balochistan is Pakistan's largest province till Sindhi and Urdu. The next one is how people live in Balochistan. The answers start from here. Most of the people live till fishermen. The next one is which fruits grow in Balochistan. The answer starts from here. Grapes, apples, till are also grown. Now students, you will learn all these questions from your notes. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.